Hey, are you tired of overspending and you don't know why you're doing it? It might be time to break out those envelopes. What do you mean by envelopes, Uncle G? Come over here and check it out. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Mentally Financial, or welcome back if this is not your first time. Hey, we're going to be talking about Master Your Money. It is a five-part series that I came up with to help you understand the budgeting system. I got five different budgets I'm going to be talking about for the next few weeks. I want you to come back and check each one of them out because one of them may help you master your money. Hey, on the real tip, this week we're going to be talking about the envelope system. Back in the day, it used to be called the stuffing system. Now they call it the envelope system. And we're going to talk about why it may help you. All right. We're going to talk about what the envelope system is. We're going to talk about how it works. We're going to even talk about why it may not work. We're going to talk about some common issues and some tips. And we're going to also give you excuse me, an example of how it really works. Okay. So let's jump on into this. You're going to see me looking down my notes because I got my bullet points here and I want to make sure we cover everything correctly. Okay. What is the envelope system? The envelope system is a physical method of budgeting that uses actual envelopes. Yes, envelopes. And you will be putting money in each of these envelopes by creating different categories. Okay. Now, how it works is pretty much this: you determine what your income is for that month. Then you're going to decide on the spending categories you want to spend on. Your categories might not be the same every month. You know what I'm saying? So that's why this envelope system works for some people and not for everybody. So next month might not be the same as this month, but you're gonna see whatever your income is, and the income may change. That's another thing. But income, then you decide what you want to spend it on. You take your envelopes, you write out each category on each envelope, then you allot a certain amount of money to go into that envelope. That's all the envelope system really is. Okay. So to give you a quick idea of an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say you got $2,500 this month in income, and most of us pay our bills online these days, our mortgage, our rent, or whatever. We pay that part online. This is more so for those physical things where you walk into a grocery store or you go out to dinner or things of that way of nature. This is where this program works for you. Okay. This budgeting program works for you for that, for those type of people that get out in the world. Now, groceries are 400 this month. Your gas is 200. Your fund money is 100. Dining out is 150, and then you got a miscellaneous envelope of $100. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this is when it's gone. Yes, meaning once you go to the grocery store and spend that $400, it's gone. Don't touch the other envelopes. When you go out and have fun for that $200 or 150 or whatever it was, it's gone. Don't do anything else. Now, that's why it's simple and powerful, but it doesn't work for everybody if you're not being real with yourself. If you lie to yourself at any point in your life, this system is not going to work for you because we already know that we make mistakes. You go to the grocery store, I go in there with a $10 bill thinking I'm getting one thing and walk out with 100 things. It happens. But you can't do that with this budget. Whatever you put into these envelopes, you must try to stick to it. Okay. So that's why you got to be pretty good at wanting this to work for yourself. Okay. Now, why it works is because when you and physically separate things, sometimes you don't think twice about it. You know what I'm saying? Because if you say, well, boom, $400 for this, and then the $400 gone, you don't think about, hey, I ain't got it. That broke, then you technically are broke, So you have to live that mentality. So that's the why it works for some people. Because if you can get your mindset to say, hey, when this money is gone, it's gone, it works well for you. Okay. Some of the common issues of why it doesn't work is because we're in the 21st century and a lot of people shop online. Now, can it still work for a person that shops online? Yes. You just have to dedicate those envelopes to say, hey, this is why I'm doing this online. This is the amount of money I can spend for that category. Okay. So it can still work. It just won't be a physical envelope, which you probably could, but it doesn't work that way when it's something online. So what do? You come up with the 21st century solution. They have budgeting apps online They have the envelope system apps online. So just find one that works for you, and it works just like an envelope. You put money into it. When you go, go online shopping, that's the category you pull it from. And once that money is gone out of it, you're gonna see zero. The next category, you go somewhere else, you're gonna see zero one or whatever's left or whatever. Now you got to remember, this money builds itself up if you don't spend it every month. And if you still put the same amount in there every month, it works out for you. So it's good for somebody who might be thinking about taking a trip, somebody who overspends quite a bit, and if they know they got the money on them, it can kill them. So hey, this is a system, like I said, that doesn't work for everybody, okay? But I believe that if you really, really, truly want to start budgeting and you try it, the envelope system is not going to hurt you, okay? Now, if you were here or if you looked at last week's video, I talked about the zero-based budget. That's the budget plan that works for me, okay? Because I use every dollar, I put it to work. So check that video out if you haven't. Next week, we're going to be talking about the 50-30-20 budgeting method, okay? Now, that might be the one for you. I drop a new video every Tuesday at 5 o'clock. So if you want to check out that video, hey, it'll be there next week. And I hope it helps you. With that being said, I want you to do something for me. This is a little small favor, and it's free. Can you like this video? Can you share it? Can you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already? All I'm saying is it's free. I'm trying to get this information out there in the algorithm for other people, beginners, our kids, our friends, our family member. I'm that uncle who has no judgment. I'm here to help everybody. So with that being said, like I say in all my videos, hey, I do the research. I live the life. You just got to follow. I'm your boy, Gary B, aka Uncle G, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.